Good morning. Good morning, my Ming Ming. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Good morning. How is my Ming Ming boy? How is my da? Are you sleepy still? You like to come to me? Hmm? You are very sleepy boy. You say good morning to everybody. Why you still sleeping? You should get up now. Good morning, everybody. Tiger is still sleepy. And she come to me. Ming Ming. Hi, Ming Ming. Good morning, Ming Ming. This is Tiger, the big boy. Okay, everyone. I hope everybody has a good day. And I'm here relaxing. Okay, God bless everyone. Happy Friday.